What's up guys, Finn here, 2016, July. Got all our mortars. You got your 2-inch salutes, boomers. Tons of these. Oh, a whole bunch of them. We're gonna have some fun tonight. 500 gram 312. Duplicity 312. Stay tuned for that. Watch out. Might not be. Light him. Give it, give it. What's up guys, it's Finn. I appreciate you guys watching this little video that I posted of the fireworks that we had on July, I think it was July 2nd that we ended up lighting those off. But there was accident free that entire night, so it was a good show. I just posted the last two sets of fireworks that we lit. Let's see. So next Tuesday, I would look out for an aquarium video. I'm going to be doing an update on the bluegill, let you guys know how they're doing, and look out for an all new video of how to care for bluegill, because I've been getting a lot more questions lately, and they're all the questions are all related to the old video that I made. So I'm going to update that video with more information, clear information, and again, it's going to be a lot shorter than the 10 minutes and also in 1080p quality. So appreciate it, guys. Subscribe if you haven't already. Click the subscribe button in the bottom corner there, and you guys will get my updates every week. Until next Tuesday, take care and have a good weekend.